Hello, welcome to Louisa Bakes. In today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite New York style lemon cheesecake recipe. It is a soft cheesecake with a homemade lemon curd topping. So without further ado, let's get started. In a big mixing bowl, add 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, or you can use lemon cookies as well. Then add 4 tablespoons of white sugar and about 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it all together with a spatula, or you can use a hand mixer as well. Then fill it in the prepared baking pan. You should use a removable bottom pan or a springform pan to easily remove the cake after baking. Press in the graham cracker mixture and bake it for about 8 minutes. It's gonna smell super delicious. In the meantime, we're preparing the cheesecake filling. So use 4 packages of cream cheese. They should be soft and at room temperature. Add about 4 tablespoons of flour. Then mix it on the lowest setting of your hand mixer for about 4 minutes until it's all smooth. We add 1 cup of sour cream to get a really smooth and rich texture. To sweeten it up, we add 1/3 cup of lemon sugar, which is just sugar and lemon zest, and 1 cup of regular white sugar. Mix it with a hand mixer until it's smooth, and then add about 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You're gonna need 1 large lemon for that. When it's all mixed well, add the rest of the ingredients. So 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 4 large eggs, which also have to be at room temperature. Then mix it on a low setting until it's nice and creamy. This is going to make a beautiful cheesecake. Pour it in the cooled graham cracker crust and then bake it for almost 2 hours in a water bath. When it has chilled enough, top it with about 3/4 cup of homemade lemon curd. And then make it all smooth with a spatula or whatever tool you have. Just make sure it covers the whole surface. You can add some nice whipped cream swirls as well, or even some lemon slices. The whipped cream is super easy, just cold heavy cream and powdered sugar. And that is it. This is my New York style lemon cheesecake with a homemade lemon curd topping. The recipe for this I'm going to show you in a few seconds, so keep watching. I hope you liked this video so far. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which are the desserts you want me to make next. For the lemon curd recipe, we're using a medium-sized pot. Add 2 large eggs and 1 egg yolk, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, and 3/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now mix it together and let it cook for about 20 minutes until it covers the back of a spoon. Then add 1 cup of cold cubed butter and mix it until it's melted. That's it. Just let it sit in the fridge and then you can use it on your cake. Thank you guys for watching. I see you next week. Happy baking. Bye.